Welcome to the third lecture of heat transfer. The first two lectures were about conduction and convection heat transfer. This is the third lecture that is related to conduction heat transfer. This lecture is related to a problem. In this lecture, we will discuss a problem related to conduction heat transfer. The problem is the wall of an industrial furnace is constructed from 0.15 meter thick fire clay brick having thermal conductivity of 1.7 watt per meter into Kelvin. Measurement made during steady state operation revealed temperature of 1400 and 1150 Kelvin at the inner and outer surface respectively. Now we have to find the heat loss through the wall, Qx. We have to find Qxo, which is unknown to us. Now the given quantities are delta x, it is thickness of the wall, T1 is the inside temperature, T2 is the outside temperature of the wall, K is the thermal conductivity of the wall, and this is simple diagram of the wall. Its thickness is delta xo. This is delta x, thickness of the wall. This is x2 and this is x1. x2 minus x1 is delta x, which is the thickness of the wall. This is the height of the wall, and it is the length of the wall, which is 1.2 meter. This is the simple two-dimensional structure of the wall, which have thickness delta x, and T is thickness. We can also write T is thickness or delta x. So these are same thing. This is the inside temperature of the wall, which is 1400, and this is the outside temperature of the wall, which is 1150 Kelvin. Delta x is thickness of the wall. Now we have to find the heat loss from the wall. Now thermal conductivity T1, T2, all value are given to us. So this is conduction heat transfer problem. So we will use the Fourier law of heat conduction, which is given Qx is equal to k dt by dxo. Now dt by dx is T1 minus T2 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1 is the thickness. x2 minus x1 is thickness of the wall, which is given to us. K is thermal conductivity of the wall. Now putting the value of thermal conductivity T1, T2, x2 minus x1 in this equation number 1. The thermal conductivity, when we put the value of these quantity in this equation number 1, we will obtain 2833 watt per meter square, which is heat flux from the wall. Now we have to find the heat rate from the wall. So we know that flux is equal to heat rate x in the heat flux in the x direction is equal to heat rate in the x direction divided by area. We know that flux is heat rate by area. So per flux per rate, we multiply both sides up by area. So area cancel with area, and Qx is equal to flux multiplied by area, which is given to us. Heat rate is equal to flux multiplied by area. So heat rate is equal to Qx double prime multiplied by area. Now area is the area are given to us, which is equal to height of the wall multiplied by length of the wall. Height of the wall is 0.5 meter, and length of the wall is 1.2 meter. Now putting the value of flux and area. So these value, when we multiply area, which is height multiplied by length of the wall multiplied by flux, so these meter square cancel with meter square, and the final answer is 1700 watt. 1 watt is also equal to 1 joule per second. So Qx is equal to 17 joule per second. If you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. Thanks.